Traffic-Bot Pro can help you increase your website rankings. First, bring traffic to your website through direct visit. Right-click here to create a new task. Add a YouTube link. Copy this link and add it to domain. You can also click here to custom your operation as you like. If you right-click here, you can see the following items. Here, you can change the system user agent. Search interval time. Add click settings. Please note the runtime. If you want to bring bulk views to your site, Proxy is necessary. You can import proxies here. You can also buy proxies from this site. You can use Scrape Proxy tool to scrape free proxies, but we will see this later. Then click Next and run the task. You can see all the works from this window. Next, bring traffic through keyword search on Google. Create a task under Google tab. Then enter your website link here. Enter the search keyword here. Next, click Google Ads to cost your competitor budget. Please note that the task will run successfully only when the ads have been shown up in Google search page through a keyword. Input your ad link here. Change is AD to true. Then just do the same as the previous task. Lastly is to show you how to use free proxies. Go Extra and Proxy. Add source. You can import local proxies from here. We are now gonna change type to search and input a random name. Start load. Here I've scraped 50 proxies. Now stop load and start checking. You can view proxies and filter them and export them. Thanks for watching.